Since 2008, Homful Group has been focusing on becoming global leading sourcing agency of outdoor products. Homful Group RV is specialized in RV products. We supply RV awning, tire stabilizers, roof vent, sewer hose, etc. We provide our clients with service of OEM, ODM, OBM, global sourcing and resource combinations, together with solutions and designs to meet demands from different market. Homful is aimed to help customers obtain the greatest benefits and successful business. Homful cooperate with 336 manufacturers as long-term strategic partners, all of which are with stable quality, high-cost performance, timely delivery, honesty and credibility, convenient service. By having these supply resources, Homful form a number of stable and reliable outdoor production and supply bases. In order to help customer to do better production integration, we still have 8,000 warehouse for circulation. Homful keeps participating in more than 10 exhibitions at home and abroad every year and launching new products every month. Homful has exported to over 50 countries and cooperated with more than 500 customers. With strong sourcing and developing ability, Homful is a professional global sourcing company. We have 4 sourcing groups who launch 50 new products monthly. Every 2 groups of sourcing team are appointed with 1 group of professional QC to ensure the product qualification rate to be 99.9. With advanced equipment, practiced operators and 6 professional technicians, we strive for perfection, design and improvement for better products. And we also got 30 patents for different products. We have specialized VIP customer service team for 5-star customers and 6 groups of experienced sales to provide customers one-stop service. Order will be 100 performed from beginning to end.